To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Seasons. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring. In spring, the weather is warm. We can play outside and we can see beautiful flowers. Summer. In summer, the weather is hot. We can play outside and go swimming. Autumn. In autumn, the weather is cool. The leaves change colour from green to orange or red. The leaves fall from the trees. Winter. In winter, the weather is cold. It can snow in winter and we can make a snowman. So those are the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Which season is your favourite?